A collective of 13 automakers that includes Honda, General Motors, Ford, Toyota, and Volkswagen, will pay up to $130 million to compensate those injured by defective Takata Airbag inflators. The deal will resolve Takata's ongoing bankruptcy crisis and allow key safety systems to purchase the company for $1.6 billion. This will ensure Takata can continue to make replacement inflator kits as the largest recall in automotive history continues. In an interview with Reuters, attorney Joe Rice, who represents many injury plaintiffs, said that the car manufacturers will contribute between $80 million and $130 million to Takata's bankruptcy estate. On the back of the contribution from the automakers, a committee of injured drivers has dropped their objection to the Takata bankruptcy exit plan proposed by TK Holdings. Additionally, victims of faulty airbag inflators will be able to receive money from the $125 million compensation fund previously established by the U.S. Department of Justice.